Hello guys, it's XJ0461 and this is my first video and I'm going to show you how to do in the great clock this mnemonic puzzle which is in the sector 2 and you can get a gold vault. So this is the optional mission, or how to say, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So first enter it. Okay.
Hello, Father.
That's all they'll say, and now let's go. Before I'll do it, I'm going to show you something I will use. You see that turret, you know? That you can turn back his shot, but I'm using this way. You go to the end of this and then we get up here. You understand? That's actually the faster way. Uh-oh. The camera quality starts really bad. Whatever. So I'm remembering it like this. Go to the green one. It doesn't matter what color it is, but I always do it like this. So record. Go this way. You can ignore that thing, whatever. Go over here. Wait a few seconds. Not much. Now stand on this and end recording. Go with the red one.
Temporal recording initiated. Activating rift prevention protocols. 53% complete. 77% complete. 91% complete.
100%
updated.
100% complete. Wait a few seconds with the red guy. And now go. And this is how you do it. Get out. Now you'll come and open the door with the red one, like for a few seconds. And now you'll run. Slow this thing with the time thing. And now you'll run and go inside of that locked door. And I'm going to show you how to do the rest. So now go back to the green guy. And whoops. So you open this thing for a second. Who cares? And now the red guy is waiting. Open it. He'll go inside. Open that. He'll get out. And now I am going after him. And he'll open this door for me. And here I'll end recording. Now go to the blue one. And just wait here. Nothing else. And see those two, what they're doing. Once they'll open this thing, you go inside, okay? That's all you do with the blue one. Once again, it doesn't matter about the colors. Okay. You should wait a few seconds. Not should, but now it should open. And go inside and end recording. Now go with the yellow one.
Temporal recording initiated.
And go inside this chamber. And end recording. Now what? Now we go with the red one, and this is the last time actually. So we go. The green guy should open this for me. I'll open that for the blue guy and get out. Now I'll go this way
Auto repair sequence complete.
and open this chamber for the green guy. He'll go inside, I'll get outside, freeze this thing, and I should run away inside of that thing. There's a gold ball inside,
Remaining.
but I already get it.
5 seconds remaining.
So that's how you get it done.
Amazing! You really are quite good at this.
Yes, I am. But I'm not alone. Me and my friend have discovered this. Not yesterday. A few days ago we just discovered it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I helped you
Omni sequencing.
with this. You can do it again if you want to test. I don't get this light, why it's still shining. Whatever, so that's all from this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I helped you. See you later.